Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and today I'll show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down the control center, which you do by pulling down right here on the right side, like so. And you'll get this focus tile right here, but when you tap on it, it gives us a couple options. So one of those is a Do Not Disturb mode. You can tap on the three dots also to see a couple additional options. So we have for 1 hour, until this evening, or until I leave this location. Looks like that's basically all we have. We also have the settings option, which will take us to the settings right here. So let's see if we can actually customize it somehow. So allow notifications, we can select what people will basically be allowed to notify us about whatever that they want, and also what kind of apps will be able to do it. That is meaning that whatever you add in here will bypass the Do Not Disturb mode once it's toggled on like this. So anyway, going back to the toggle itself right here, once you select the Do Not Disturb mode, you can simply tap on it to turn it on, and additionally you can now also tap on this tiny little circle right here to toggle it on and off. And as you can see, it creates this little moon right here to signify that it is right now enabled. So anyway, this is how you would toggle it on, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.